Students, in the last sessions, the list, let us discuss the illustrations of final accounts combinedly with the new adjustments. However, whenever the information regarding profit and loss account given, and particularly regarding the revenue from operations and expenses given, combinedly all the adjustments to be worked out in a note. I'll give you the same things, the format, and I'll give an example. One of the limited have authorized capital of rupee 50 lakh divided into 5 lakh equity shares of rupees 10 each. Their books of accounts reveals as debit balances, stock, discounts and rebates, carriage inwards, patterns, rates, taxes and insurance, furniture, fixtures, material purchased, wages, coal and cake, freehold land, plant and machinery, engineering tools, goodwill, sundry debtors, bill receivable, advertisement, commission and brokerage, business expenses, bank current account, cash in hand, debenture interest, interest banks, preliminary expenses, calls in arrears. All these are debit balances. I'll read credit balances. Equity share capital 2 lakh shares of rupees 10 each. 4% debentures repayable after 10 years. Bank overdraft. Sundry creditors. Sales. Rent, which is credit. Profit and loss account, which is credit, and so on. The adjustment regarding stock valued at cost or market value, whichever is lower, to be taken into account on 31st December 2019, which was rupees 7 lakh 80,000. Outstanding liabilities for wages rupees 25,000, and business expenses rupees 25,000. Dividend declared at 10% on paid up capital. The depreciation charges on plant and machinery 5%, engineering tools 20%, patterns 10%, furniture and fixtures 10%. Provide 2% on debtors as doubtful debts after writing off 21,500 as bad debts. Write off preliminary expenses rupees 5,000, and create debenture redemption reserve rupees 50,000. Provide rupees 2 lakh 40,000 for income tax. You are required to prepare statement showing profit and loss and balance sheet on the date of on the date in vertical format. While preparation of profit and loss account, all the adjustments regarding revenues and expenses to be taken into account. Like per year, revenue from operations, sales will come. Sales 36 lakh 17,000 is there. Out of that, the cost of sales to be deducted. Opening stock, materials, carriage inwards, wages, coals and coal and coke, coals. All these to be deducted out of sales. And again, closing stock to be deducted. That will become the gross profit. All operating expenses such as cost of materials, all these non-operating expenses, both to be deducted. I'll read here, discount and rebate is there as an operating expenses. Rent, taxes and insurance, commission and exchange, advertisement, business expenses, repairs, bad debts, bank interest, all depreciation inclusive of plant and machinery, engineering tools, patterns, furniture and fixtures, provision for doubtful debts. Gross profit minus operating expenses will become operating profit. The non-operating expenses has to be deducted, debenture interest, preliminary expenses, and so on. In non-operating income, that is rent credit is that to be added, That is the net profit before tax. Provision for income tax and the balance brought forward from last year to be added. Transferred to debenture redemption reserve, proposed dividend, all this to be deducted. That is the balance to be carried forward to balance sheet. That becomes 8,610. The balance to be transferred to the balance sheet. Uh, that is the way of preparation of statement of profit or loss. Among all the adjustments, you must analyze debenture, all the debentures to be taken into account as an operating expenses, as depreciation and amortization expenses, and non-operating expenses inclusive of debenture interest, preliminary expenses to be deducted. As a non-operating income, any credit balance of interest, rent is there to be added. While deducting net profit before out of net profit before tax, be any provisions are there to be deducted, and any balance brought forward from the profit and loss account of the last year to be added. Any appropriation balances like transfer to debenture redemption fund, proposed dividend, all this to be deducted to get the balance which is taken to balance sheet. The next class will discuss the balance sheet.